All right, so hi everyone. Today we're just gonna continue working on our context pilot. I will not go into what we are trying to build. I think that's been covered in a lot of videos before. But if you're just curious, you can always go to my project krshimali slash context hyphen pilot hyphen rs. Should be in the description down below. You can check it out. But the whole aim is to continue working on it and make sure that it's working. First of all, it's not working right now for several reasons. I'll talk about it now. It's been some, I don't know, the last time I picked it up was October. So around November and December, I can think that's around 2 months since I picked it up. So I have let go of some context. So let's go through the PR here and let's see what we were trying to build last time. So this is the PR that I merged. I think last commit was October 21. So I merged it then. Let's see what we were trying to build there. So we were trying to reformat DB into new format to support DB sharding, add project to CLI. Uh, Basically, like what I wanted to do was in the CLI, I wanted to have an option for the project or workspace to be added. Hi, Venom. Venom says no. Thank you so much. You keep resubscribing for 1 month at tier one. Why do you do that? Mohit, is there even a reason for you to do it? I will have to give you this back, whatever money you're spending here. It is really not worth it. I think you've done enough for me. But thank you so much. Thank you. I think we are just waiting for the day that you start your streaming and I'll just come and subscribe to you as well. Um, Voice is good, na? Voice is good and video is good. I hope so. Yeah, nice. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much again for subscribing. Really means a lot as always. Cool. So what I'm looking for is here. So in the DB, I had made some changes, right? And what I'm curious is where are we right now? What's the position? Perfect. Okay, thank you. Just a minute. I'll set up my cool. So let's open Wisdom and let's try to build it again because I totally forgot. Oh, there's an error. Oh no, these are not errors. These are just warnings. Let's cargo run. I think it will. Yeah, there you go. So we need a file. Let's pass it main.rs. Let's pass it the folder path as well. I hope dot works. Let's see. Hyphen I E10 hyphen T is probably file. Hyphen S is one. Yeah, it works this way. It definitely gives me all the files that are relevant. Okay. And what I really want over here is I want this to check. Let's say, will it work for author? Yeah, it works as well. And I'm hoping that this will error out if I pass authors. Yes. So invalid type for a hyphen T request type, it needs to be author, right? That's an issue. Let's quickly create because I want people to just kind of remember what they need to pass, right? So I will probably just go on the top. I need to let go of Steam for some time before. Mm, let's also make sure that CLI um, show available options when there is a yeah. Right now, when I pass an incorrect request type, it errors out with the following error. Yeah, message here. Can I just okay? Cool. So this is what it gives, right? And what I'm looking for is some bash here. What I'm looking for is let's just paste it here. Available types. Author. And just make a good first issue out of it if anyone wants to pick it up. It's very easy to solve. I don't think it's a rocket science. If anyone can pick it up, I think it's great. Mohit, if you want to pick it up, it should be easy to do. By the way, um, if you can just dive into the code and try to understand what's going on. Perfect. So what do we have now? Let's see FCB. I want to go to DB sharding phase one. I want to see what changed recently. This is October 25 bugs fixes for the one I listed in the PR description. Almost works. What's the bug I was trying to fix, by the way? JSON writing is not proper. Somewhere it's buggy. Yeah, that's true. I think the last time when I was working on this, um, the JSON writing was not proper and fixed mapping file. Okay, so I think I just need to look at whether it works anymore or not. Okay, cool. Let's just try to build it again. It built successfully without any warnings. This is good. I don't mind. Cool. Let's see cargo run and the same thing. Sorry, I'm looking for author, right? Yeah, this works. I think it's just picking up from the previous. Can I just, what's the DB that you're looking for? What's the constant? You don't have constants here. Hmm. I don't know. So what I'm looking for is what's the TB file path, right? Oh, so when I initialize it, right? Okay, DB, yeah, here, right? Args.folder path, and that is different. Default. Okay. Let's see context pilot. Yeah, there you go. I think this is what I'm looking for. Is it even used somewhere? No, I don't think it's used anywhere. Oh, it's used here. Okay. So, all right. So what I'm looking for is, can I just create? Oh, sorry. Trying to get used to the formats here. There you go. So can I just go to context pilot DB and see where is it? Context pilot RS is what I'm looking for. Mapping.json. Let's see. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for. Yeah. Can I just delete this file? Okay. I think this is from what I had before, right? And I had a mapping.json as well. Yeah. And this is what I'm probably looking forward to fix. Cool. Okay. So essentially, let's see. I mean, I would ideally just get rid of all these files. I mean, even I would say the folder, right? And also the mapping file. Okay. Let's start scratch and let's see what happens. Okay. I haven't really picked up on the NeoVim plugin, by the way. I haven't updated it. So I'll just, as in, just being humble about it. Wow, that's cool. Cool. Let's just cargo run. Yeah, it works. Let's go to mapping. Can I just do cat? Yeah, last year's index is 0, right? So src main.rs. Let's say if I'm looking for 11 right now. Yeah. Okay. It still can be. Yes. So what's the limit, by the way? Max items in each file is 30, right? And those are items, right? So I think if I make it say 20 and I do cat mapping.json, it's still there. Okay. What are the number of items, by the way, here? Okay. What's the, I forgot the key maps for this, how to fold it. Cool. It's okay. Uh, probably let's just run it once again with 30. Cool. And see how many are there. Okay. I need to check max item in each DB file, right? Can I just change it to maybe 5? Yeah. And build it again. Okay. Sorry. Cargo run. Cool. I think, yeah, I was just trying to do it again, right? So let's do 40. Right, cat mapping.json. Yeah, there you go, right? So this time it says last use index is 2 and src main.rs has contained in 0 comma 1 comma 2, right? So whenever whenever I'm looking for this entry, I can look for 0.json, 1.json and 2.json. That's the idea. So if you see, there are three files basically in this db, and what I'm looking for is, can I read this again? Let's see. Fingers crossed it works. I hope I don't have anything added. Yeah. Now let's say, what's the, can I just do this? I'm not looking for the count. Okay, sorry. Yeah, oh, that gives me the line count. Okay, that is good. At least I remember some commands. So I can just do cargo run and up to 50 maybe. And what I'm looking for is one more file to be added. Yeah, this looks good so far. Okay, what about this that I try to run algo loc.rs -e? Let's say I want to edit 100. I wanted to start with file. I wanted to start with 10, let's say. Yeah. Let's see. Cat mapping.json. Yeah, there you go, right? This is now what's going. Okay, no, this is all good. Last use index is 22. I don't think I'm missing something here. What was pending? Can I can you please do algo.loc.rs and wc-l for me? 244, right? So let's just run it for all. Uh let's say 200 maybe. Yeah. Cat mapping.json. Okay, now this is what I wanted to check, right? So it says src algo.loc.rs, last index is this. This all looks fine to me. I don't think so. What's going wrong? Okay, let's try to. Okay, did it? It took some time. Wait, can you do this again for me? It was quick. Definitely, it was quick, right? Yeah, cool. I don't mind. What's going on? Am I able to read properly? Yeah, this all looks fine to me. But my only problem is that why am I doing it? I think I'm just storing it quite a lot of times. Cool. I think I can optimize on the Git algo later on. This is so far so good. I'm kind of happy about it. Uh, can't I just merge it? What's the commit messages, by the way? Bug fixes for the one I listed in the PR description almost works. Okay, so what's basically breaking? Okay, is mapping file what I'm looking for? Everything is fine there. I don't think anything is wrong. Okay, now let's say if I want cargo run, and this time if I do author, let's see what happens. Yeah, because it has already saved it, right? I think whenever you do file or author, irrespective of that, it always saved that into DB, right? So if you kind of look into this, right, it's also storing the author full name. So it's not like okay, you just want the file details, so you'll just store file. That's some just optimization I've done. Don't think it's really an optimization on the shorter term, but in the future, if they want anything, it will work. I'm happy about it. I haven't really changed anything as well. And why am I writing to a file, by the way? Just look at the right instances. Couldn't write to the file. Wow. What's the file, by the way? Open options, mapping file path. Okay. Couldn't write to the mapping file, I would say, instead of this. It's kind of very confusing what I'm trying to say there. Okay. Yeah, let's just have it here as well. I would love this to be very generic, to be honest. Cool. Let's get rid of these two comments. Let's say what is the other thing I'm missing. This is all fine. Couldn't write a very simple data object into a new file. Wow. Kind of error message I put is very surprising. Mapping to a new mapping file, I would say. Again, it doesn't really. Okay, cool. I like the humor in the file messages. Let's just update db.rs. Just some leftover comments and don't try to output file. I haven't seen anything that's going wrong, and that's probably because I haven't written tests. I think about time for me to start writing tests. I know it's going to be very tough to mock the Git algorithm. That's why I was trying to make sure that it works. But let's try using it, and then let's see how it works, right? Because now what's important is okay. Let's just make sure that it's merged as well. Just want to make sure that it's working. Yeah, all up to date. I don't think anything is missing. All right, what's this about? Okay, can I just put cat book? Okay, sorry. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so what do we need from now? Okay. All right. So this is done, guys. Let's try to get the NeoVim plugin ready and also the VS Code extension so that we can just make sure that we can try it in real life and see if it works. Again, I don't remember what's really breaking and what's not. I don't remember what's almost work. I think we need to start noting down things. I'm gonna merge this to main, and I hope everything is good. But as a sanity check, we will always be running things ourselves. Right now, the way to run is actually combining this with the NeoVim plugin. It's been quite some time since I have not updated the NeoVim plugin, so let's go ahead and do it now. It's a good time to do it. Git clone. Let's do this here. All right, so this is done. Let's go to the context palette. NeoVim, not this one, sir. Can I please go to Alt C, context palette, NeoVim? Thank you. Cool. This is what we have. What I'm looking for is just updating. Yeah. Okay. First of all, context palette is what I'm looking for. I would again just check. Can I do Z context palette? Do I have auto jump or Zoxide? Yeah, I do have Zoxide. That's okay. db.rs. What I'm looking for? Yeah, I think I'm looking for main where I just have these CLI from args, right? So let's just look at it. What CLI result? Where are the sorry. Okay, it took some time. What's the CLI? Do I not have a CLI.rs file? Yeah, there you go, CLI, right? So over here we have request type options, and these are author and file, right? And this is what I'm looking for, author and so it's small author, a small file. So what I'm looking for is not files. I'm looking for file, and where's authors? Not looking for author. Yeah, there you go, right? Honestly, I would like to replace this all with a fixed string because it doesn't make sense for me to keep on doing this. Yeah, let's just note it down for the future. If anyone wants to do it as a good first issue, I don't mind as well if I'm not able to do it here. Cool. This is done. I don't have rationalizer picked up. Why? Oh, it's not. Oh, okay. Do I have brew? Yeah. Rationalizer. Yeah, let's do that quickly. I just want to make sure that I'm able to get things done. Oh, rationalizer was there. My bad. Cool. This is done. Let's go to which rationalizer. Okay, I just want to make sure that I can use it. Let's go to Z nvim Lua user. What was it? LSP settings Lua. My bad. Okay, I think it's all fine. I was just yeah, it's all good. Wait, yeah, it's all good. Cool. Context.nvim. Okay, znvim again. Yeah, there you go. Cool. We got this here. Let's go to Lua. I will go to this again. Right. Is context pilot the right word for this, by the way? CP target release context pilot. Yeah, it is there, right? Let's just make sure that it works. Cool. And what else do I need to do? Okay. The next thing is very simple. Let's create a git checkout -b push. I would just say backend upgrade. Yeah, because I'm upgrading to another version. Let's say fixing CLI as we go, part 1. Right, I would want this to be, I can just push it from here, and so I don't need to create a PR straight away. What I can do is I can do Z nvim and nvim lua user plugins.lua. I need to go down and I need to search for sorry about that. I think So what I'm looking for is how to pass the branch. Yeah, there you go, right? So you can pass the branch like this. So I can go to context palette, NVim here, and say branch. Wait, what was it? How are they doing it? Branch equal to this. Yeah, let's just hope that it works this way. I'm gonna say backend upgrade. Let's try to save it. What happens, sir? Oh, this problem. Cool. Now context pilot. Yeah. Okay. It has upgraded. Let's just make sure it has upgraded. Yeah. Okay. So what's next? Let's just look at src db.rs context pilot context current line. I would like this to run, but it did not. And the reason is very clear because I think I missed out on a very small thing. It's Lua context upt.lua. What I'm looking for is probably over here. See, so essentially this part will never work because you also need to pass the project, right? If you look at the cargo run, you also had to pass the project path. Let's just do this, right? So it's basically looking for every file path you need to have folder path, right? And this folder path should essentially come from the buffer itself. Let's just say folder path. This file path, you get it here. That's okay. That's okay. Let's also get it here. Yeah. Cool. Let's. Yeah. Done, right? Now what you're looking for is. I think I need to enable comma W there. Cool. Um. So how do you make sure that you get the what's the requirement, right? The requirement is to get the folder path, and the folder path is the workspace path that you're looking for. So let's just look at NeoVim, right? NeoVim workspace path. Um, I think okay, no, not really set, but get. I think. Can you please stop responding, dear AI? Yeah, NVim set current. Okay, you can I do this? Let's see what the output is here, right? Hmm. Okay. So will it work for this case? Let's just see. Right. Let me create this quickly. So what I'm looking for is cargo run. This essentially, right? Cargo run src. Let's say all of this, but instead of saying this, I will like this. Now what that does is it creates one more for you, which is fine. Honestly, I don't mind it again if it does that. Did it just fail for me? Ah, it failed because okay. I think I know why it failed. Context pilot DB. Oh, it did not append to it. Can I just please delete the DB and see again? Okay, cargo run. It worked this time. Let's try to do it again. It failed. And let's try to get the gist of what's happening. Yeah, it creates this, right? Because yeah, this is the I don't know. I don't know if I have any problem with this, to be honest. Like, should I have any problem? What's what line was it, by the way? Um, src db.rs. It's essentially 34th line, right? Data buffers unable to serialize. What's the db path here? Yeah. No, I don't need data buffers. DB path. Okay. What are you waiting for? Yeah, there you go. Right. This is what I'm looking for. And let's see. Okay, I need even from here. Cool, this is done. Cargo build, cargo run. Yeah, DB path is essentially this, right? And is there something wrong with it? This file doesn't exist. Is it because of multiple? Wait, what? It exists, right? Context by DB, home, KR Shimali, documents, projects, context palette RS. Yeah, it does exist. Oh, but it's empty. Why is it empty? Okay, wait. Did this? Ah, it's empty. I think it saves here. That's where I'm going. Can I just run this again? I want to see if basically, yeah, it was definitely not this. Okay, let's just go to this folder and see what's going on. If I do cat 9.json, cat mapping.json, this is there. 0.json, cat 1.json. Okay, let's see. If I try to run this for file first, it does give me the output. It's not like it doesn't give me the output. Yeah, it's, yeah, not sure what's happening. Okay, all right, I see. So we need to fix this thing. That's what's going wrong. Okay, is it just the folder, by the way? Yeah, I think it's just a folder. It has to do something with the folder. If I would have just passed the current folder, I think this would have worked. Which I can do, honestly. I don't mind doing it because that's what I had assumed as well. And then we can look at this bug later on. You see? So here this is what is still empty. Oh, thank God it just worked, didn't it? Did I change something? I just changed this, right? There's nothing else I changed. And I did a print statement. Okay, let's get rid of all the. Let's just leave the tree. Get checkout main, get pull origin main. Let's see. Right, and let's just go to NVim cargo build, I guess. Cargo run again. This will fail, I know. Let me delete all the files. It just worked in front of you. Or maybe it did not because I see. So that's why I had that to do. Cool, at least we are getting the to do, right? Let's go to main.rs, right? Yeah, let's do this. Why did it not save? It's saved in this folder itself. So when I'm passing the, yeah, yeah, this is empty. But if you look at cat0.json here, oh, this is still empty. Oh, it's impossible. It was literally working just now. What did I change? Okay, let's just delete the whole folder again. Cool, I'm here. Can you run this again for me? Context pilot db, context pilot cat 0.json. Nothing is there. Nothing is there. Cool. And can you just run it for me until 10th line? Yeah, okay. Awesome. There's a lot to fix, guys. That's for sure. I think when I'm writing to the DB, right? Not the mapping file path, cell.db file path when I'm using. Yeah, I think here I'm checking, right? DB file path is equal to this. Distance is mapping string. I just want to check where I'm. Output string is what? Current data, unable to deslice data. We cross limit. Okay, path new, mute file object, DB file path. Okay, okay. And when are we writing it essentially? Already computed data. Sorry, can I go back to the store? So store doesn't really write to the DB, is it? It just creates the file. To string pretty. Output string is there. Where am I using it? Let mute file object. File create DB file path. Okay, I'm just creating it here. I'm just storing. Where am I using it? Yeah, unused variable, right? Because I'm not writing it somewhere. Okay. Where am I? Get mute. This is exists and return, right? So, I mean, we should have written somewhere here, right? Are we writing it here? Oh, we are never writing it here. Yeah, I think this is where I missed. Probably in the store function. Probably over here, append is also fine. We're just appending to the store. Yeah, I think over here we should do this. So once this is done, we have the file object. Write output string to the file object. Yeah, I think I can just do this. Write append unable to write to the file. Maybe I can have something like this. Can I just look at warnings? Why is it failing? I don't need this, right? Right. Okay. All right. This is probably not needed itself because I just need to check how was I writing it. Yeah, something like this, right? I can just copy this over here. I can paste it. Mapping file path. Instead of this, I can have this output string, and instead of this, I can just have couldn't write data to the DB file path, which is what. Yeah, data I don't want to print. Okay, if you want to. What file object is not there? I see. Do you want me to write it? Okay, for now I'll just keep it simple. Then we can check what's the better way to do it. All right. You expected. Yeah, I'll just let it be. Cool. I think I can just copy it, paste it here. Yeah, and there are no more warnings. I do remember that there were no warnings when I started doing this. I'm still surprised that there are still warnings. Yeah. Cool. Now I need to just get rid of the DB that I had before. And I can try running this again. It does work. Yeah. Cool. And what I'm looking for is can you just print? Can I just go to home? Let's just hope that it does the task. Oh, it does. Okay. I'm I'm feeling good about this. There's a song, तेरी मेरी कहानी एक दास्तां नहीं पुरानी. अरे चोरी चोरी ये कहानी चली है ठहरी थी जो. All right, I think we can do this. Let me play some songs, guys, so that I feel motivated because there are no viewers on my Twitch, so I need some. All right, not this song, not this song. Okay, this song is good, I think. All right, okay. Sorry, you guys cannot hear the song because can't really. Okay, let's go at the folder path. Local current folder path. Let's see what does it do. Lua vim.function expand %ph. What does it do? Can I just do what I knew that was gonna work? Yeah, oh, this thing. Client vim.loop. Oh, sorry. Um, what was it? I can try that. Let's go back to folder path. Should be cool. I think we are ready. Let's just look up. Let's just look for all the warnings. And what is your problem? Are you fixed now? Let's just look out unused local actions previous. Okay, what's the one? Can I just get them over here? Unused local ops. Okay, I'll get rid of few as well. Duplicate fields. This function takes duplicate field. Undefined global. I can just have it here. Undefined global. This thing. This is done. Yeah, let's put this here as well. I should have just posted it. Cool. Why is it? No, it's not duplicate field here. Come on, don't do that. Cool. Let's add. What do you want to add? Mm, project current project directory. All right, let's see if this works, and then we will give it a try. I think it just needs a couple of days trial, and we will know what the bugs are, and then we can. All right, so this is done. What I can do is now go back to probably NVIM Packer sync. Yeah, yeah, there you go. Right, this works. Let's get rid of this context palette. Can I get please? Okay, it's failing. That's okay. Let's get rid of context palette, context current line. Yeah, it immediately fails. And what am I trying to? Yeah, get top and context current line. This is what I'm trying to do here, right? File path, folder path, hyphen s, whatever row you have, hyphen I row, hyphen t file. Maybe I have not updated. Yeah, yeah. They, kamsamida. Sorry, I'm trying to run this. I need to do cargo build release. Oh, that's why it was not working, is it? जाने न जाने मन ओ हर गाने में आता है। लिखूं तो क्या लिखूं कहो क्या कहूं। Let's try context pilot. Okay, let's see. This is gonna give me home. Can I just do PWD? Does that work? Eco PWD was it, right? Yeah. Cool. I remember these things. It's good to know. Context pilot src db.rs PWD hyphen s1 hyphen e1 hyphen d5. Yeah, it does work. I think it's just not giving me the. It's creating this as well. I don't mind this being created. So, buddy, what's your problem? Are you not able to figure this out? What's going on std out append data? Maybe. Yeah, let's just look at append data. Um, uh, string.patch. Okay. What are you looking for? Comma separated values, right? Okay. This sounds good so far. I don't think there's any blunder. Guys, if you know this song, Until I Found You, it's a nice song. It's a nice song. Hope you guys enjoy the song. I'm not able to. I'm not gonna sing this for you. Don't worry. I'm just replacing these. This is fine. Table dot insert a dot auto run data, and if it's not zero, I'm just saying telescope picker, and this is doing this all for me. Hmm. I feel anything is wrong. Can I just? I don't know. Where was I even using it? Not nowhere, right? Hmm. Can I just print something over here? Let's just see. Can I? Okay, and now is a good time to localize. Okay, let's context pilot. Can I have Kashimali somewhere? Do I know how to? Okay, I think I'm gonna search pass local path on the plan instead of get path. Will this work like this? Okay, let's see. This is crazy. I'm lacking it so far, guys. I just copy from here. Come on, don't do this. This is not bad. Cool. Now it is installed from a local plugin. I mean local. So let's try db.rs again. Hopefully it should print something for me. Appending data. It does print, right? So let's go to print data. Let's see. Okay. I am not looking for this. Maybe IPS. Can I just print it like this? Oh yeah. Okay, so the data is nil, is it? Why is the data nil? When am I calling it? Can I just go to this line, right? I am looking for on std out append data. Was it failing by the way? On std error print data. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a just similar to append data. I can create a function local print data. Yeah, Something like this, right? I don't think I want to inform though. I did something right. I don't want to print. Can you just do this for me? Yeah, let's just do this for listening. Its mess is empty. Yes, this. Ah, usage error. Oh, they were not provided. Why? Oh, STD error. That's the path. Folder path is given, buddy. What's wrong? Big. All right, let's try this again. Okay, folder path is not wrong. And let's just print the command as well. By the way, can I try something out? Will it work if I do this again? No, right? I need to refresh it. Okay. Context pilot. Ah, I'm not push. Oh, come on, don't do that. That's a silly mistake. Come on, push, you're better than that. Yeah. There you guys. There you go. Clap, 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 clap. It works. Let's go. तेरे होते किसका डर है घर हम्म, 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 हम्म. Yep, yep. They, yes, I've been learning Korean by the way. If you guys see me saying they, that means okay. 감사합니다. That's something like this, right? Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cross check again for हाथों की लकीरें संभल जाएंगी. I need a better song now. Maybe सैया दिल में आना रे. That's a nice song. आके फिर ना जाना रे. Can be reused when debugging. तारों की बारात होगी. Project path with spaces delimiter, right? Cool. Congratulations, guys. Well done. I know it was done all alone. No one was here, but I'm pretty sure that whoever is watching this on YouTube will appreciate the efforts. We are done. Let's just make sure that we create a PR. थोड़ा थोड़ा प्यार होगा. Upgrade plugin to use the latest context pilot backend upgrades. CLI change. आके फिर ना जाना रे. आके फिर ना जाना रे. Also fix the request file type. Only file and author alone. Congratulations, everyone. This is well done. Now, the next step is to write test before we make it public. Okay, I know that we need to upgrade the VS Code plugin as well. So let's just do it. If it's now, we need to figure out how to fetch the. I don't want to. I don't want to install VS Code plugin right now, guys. I'm so sorry. I think that's it for today. A 51-minute stream, not bad at all. Thank you for those who are watching on YouTube. Please make sure to subscribe if you like the content. If you don't, you can let me know very humbly. Please be humble when you comment. If you don't like something, just you can be critical about it, but please be respectful of others' emotions and efforts. Thank you so much. Take care. That was Kushashu Shmali. Hope you liked the stream.